Tracking wildfires tonight, let's get things back over to ABC 10's meteorologist Tracy Humphrey.
Yeah, wildfires. The red flag warning has been allowed to expire. We had two of them, one encompassing where you had the Dixie fire and the river fire. The second one was the red flag warning near the Tahoe area, and both have been allowed to expire because winds are expected to lessen as well as diminish as we move into the overnight. Now let's take a look at something else that is very noteworthy, newsworthy. And I'm going to be focusing on Folsom, specifically here. 25% full right now. It is 35% of average. And a picture is worth 1,000 words. Here's a look at Folsom Lake and below, sent in by Bill Stahl, one of our viewers. We are notoriously dry. If you have an opportunity to take advantage of some photos in your area, probably kind of earmarking the weather, so to speak, you can always upload it to the ABC 10 app. So here's a look at the almanac. Average daytime high is 93. Today was wonderful. It was 86. It was very comfortable. Unfortunately, it was rather gusty in some areas. So, of course, that did lead to more wildfire increasing in some areas, especially for the Dixie and the river fire. And take a look at this. Departure from average, 11.45 inches below average for rainfall. So we are notoriously dry, and we had a pretty nice day as far as your temperatures, but that's going to be changing as well. So going into the weekend, we're expecting temperatures yet again to be flirting with the triple digits. Here's a look at some of the high temperatures well below average. Normal daytime highs 93, today 86, 87 in Stockton, 90 in Modesto, mid-to-upper 80s coming in through the foothills, and I had the upper 70s in Truckee as well as in South Lake Tahoe. So outside right now, things are cooling down, 65 degrees, and that's at Sacramento Executive Airport as we look out toward our Gilmore backyard. 73% relative humidity, and as far as the winds, you can see south to southwest around 3 miles per hour. So they're going to be lessening as we move into the overnight. Here's a look at more currents with 73 in Placerville, 74 in Jackson, 73 in Modesto, 62 in Fairfield, and 60 degrees coming in Santa Rosa. And take a look at the weather timeline. Winds coming in out of the south, and then fairly calm as we move into early tomorrow morning, and a pretty nice morning with morning lows expected to be in the upper 50s and a sunrise coming in around 6:12. So for your weather headlines, gusty winds for the evening have already started to diminish, and that red flag warning expired at 9 o'clock. Unhealthy air quality moving into the forecast, namely for Sacramento, and that's because of the opportunity for that smoke drifting in from the Dixie fire, because winds are going to be shifting tomorrow morning, and asking that you avoid exposure to wildfire smoke because it can be toxic. Triple digit highs are in the forecast Friday and Saturday, and that's the opportunity again for more triple digits. So here's a look at the future winds. Right now, winds are kind of negligible. As we move into around 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, northwest winds around 3 miles per hour in Marysville, and then we move all the way through Friday afternoon, and still looking at those northwest winds. They're going to start to shift late Friday night, but by that time, the damage is done. Take a look at this. The darker the color, that deep purple color, showing the opportunity for unhealthy air quality coming into parts of the valley and then coming into parts of the foothills. We could even be looking at unhealthy air quality still in the forecast early Saturday before we get enough winds to kind of mix everything out. And just so you know, look at the extension here all the way into Denver. Our 10-day forecast showing that warm up, but we will cool down just a smidge Sunday and Monday.
All right, Tracy, thank you.